Welcome back to a new price prediction update on the Green Metaverse token. We'll be taking a look at some of the recent updates that happened and the recent trend and recent price action that happened with the Green Metaverse token and where we left off as well, and just a quick update of everything that's going on in the 15 minutes. So as we stated before, we had our high here at about 2.6. We know that there was going to be a reversal at these patterns here because there was a double top here, as you can see. And we also stated that there was going to be another reversal at these levels here at about 2.48, as we saw in head and shoulder occur at these levels, okay? And so I wanted price to actually respect these levels here, but as you can see, there was a big imbalance at these levels, okay? And we know that sometimes when imbalance happening, sometimes price comes back to these levels to fill back them, okay? So as you can see here, we had a support level of about 2.04. So where is price currently, heading to? What is happening with GMT? Well, as you can see here, we had a very crucial support area because we were oversold at this time, and we also created a double bottom here, indicating there was going to be another major reversal at these levels. As we can see, we saw our bullish momentum occur right after. We saw also a lot of bullish candles here that occurred. Okay, so just keep in mind, we drew out our support levels at about 2.02. And as you can see in the 15 minutes, price has so far been respecting these levels here. We see that price, when it decided to fill back up these gaps here, we went back down to these levels where we were oversold at this time, and also we saw that the MACD was indicating there was going to be a cross. Where right after we saw that we saw our uptrend here occurring, and I believe it went up to fill in the gaps that we had before in the market, which was about 2.42. As you can see here, and right after we couldn't break this level here. Okay, so 2.44 was very crucial because we had another order block at these areas here. Another bearish order block here. A lot of investors had their money right here, and once price went back up here, we can see we saw a big reversal that occurred. Okay, so what I wanted price to see is we saw that there was a bearish versus bullish momentum here, and unfortunately at these levels here, it was very crucial for price for us to actually break out of these zones here, retest back at about 2.4 before heading back to the heavy support, heavy resistance level we had here at about 2.688. Okay, so we needed to create a support level at these levels here about 2.45, but unfortunately when we broke out of these levels, we saw another retest at these levels here, as you can see, and before going back down. Okay, so we saw our retest here. And we saw price after breakdown. Okay, so as of now as well, for the 15 minutes, this is the best areas that I find with support, since we went back there several times, as we can see here, to fill in the gaps and another gap here. So I know this is the premium level for GMT if you want to get into the project at 1.99, since price went back there several times, and we were also indicating we were oversold at these areas, which in my opinion, this is the best areas that I see in the 15 minutes. But also we know that there's another level of support areas here, but it's not as guaranteed as these levels here. So we know about 2 is another key areas of support area. But if we do break out of this zone here, if a price decides to go back down here, break out of this structure here and retest back at about 2.08, we can see another retracement back at these levels of critical support at about 1.99, and then I believe this is the best areas to get into it if you missed out on GMT. And just do your research, see if this is the best opportunity for you, and if it is, I would recommend waiting back at about 2. And if we respect these levels of support, then we could see another reversal back to the levels of resistance that we had here at about 2.44 to fill in the gaps that we saw here. Okay, so just keep in mind, we want to see price retrace back to about 2.00, and then depending on if price is respecting these levels, and we see, as you can see here, like this bullish volume, if we do see these areas here at the support areas that we've created before, then I believe this is going to be a great indication that you should buy into the project if you did your research and you did everything as well. As you can see here at these levels of support, we saw our volume really increasing at these areas. And also if we zoom out, we can see that at these areas of support, as you can see here, look at the volume. Okay, so usually volume is very low, but look what happened when the volume retraces back to the premium levels of support at 2.03. Okay, So know there's a lot of volume coming in at these levels of areas of support. So if price ever retraces back at these areas, then I will be dollar cost and average as well and getting into the project. So just keep in mind that we want to see that area being filled back again. Just a quick update, guys, on GMT. I hope you guys found value and liked the video. And all I ask in return, if you can like and subscribe, it really does help out the channel. And stay blessed, and see you on the next one. Take care.